Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on Quick Guide. In today's video, I will guide you on how to log into your Twitter account. Now, if you also want to learn the exact process on logging into your Twitter account, then follow and watch this video until the very end. Now, before we start the video, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now, let's get into the video. Firstly, open up the Twitter app on your device. And once you open it, you will see this type of interface on your screen. Now if you want to create an account for your Twitter, either you can continue with the Google account or you can tap on create account and then follow the instruction to create your Twitter account. Now if you already have an account and you want to get logged into your Twitter account, then you need to tap on login, which is at the bottom of your screen. Now, you have to firstly enter your phone number, your email address or your username associated with your Twitter account. And once you're done with it, tap on next button at the bottom right of your screen. Now once you tap on next button, it will ask you to enter your account password. Now type in your password correctly. Now once you type your password, tap on login button to get logged into your Twitter account. And once you tap on it, you will be successfully logged into your Twitter account. Now that was the quick and easy process on how to log into your Twitter account. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video.